How to search Facebook account by phone number. You can search for a Facebook account using a phone number, but only if the user has not disabled feature in their privacy settings. And here is how to do so. Open the Facebook app or a mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Now, once inside the Facebook app, all you have to do is tap on the search bar at the top right corner of your screen. Then all you have to do is type the phone number including the country code if needed. Now, once done so, tap on the search option available there once you type down the phone number. If the number is linked to a Facebook account and the privacy setting allows it, their profile will appear. So all you have to do is tap on the profile and you can find their account easily. Also, the person might have disabled phone number if it does not work, and they might have used a different number on Facebook as well. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.